Let me show you how to completely take apart this litter box. Yes, of course, you want to take out the dirty litter in the bottom. The top comes all the way off. Once you unhook the drum, you can dump it out. And this is one of the best parts about this litter box is you can actually take apart the drum completely. Now, this gets some people confused because you really do need to take the drum all the way apart to put in that bottom litter mat so it's not going to fall or flip out. But it also means that you can take it all the way apart when you want to clean it and really get to every crack and crevice. Now I'm cleaning all of this with Active's stain and odor remover cleaner. You could definitely go harder with a real antibacterial cleaner, but this is enough for me with my cat box. And don't judge me for not wearing gloves. I did wash and sanitize my hands on the other side of this. I know I should have worn gloves too. For cleaning out the bottom of it, I definitely like to put the litter drawer back in and just push everything down into that litter drawer. That makes it much easier. And because I want to show you how to take this all apart, it's quite easy too. The top pops all the way apart. The back clamp just clips right off like you can see here. And of course I showed the power coming out and you can just pull those legs right out. So if you're moving and just need to box this right up, it's really easy to do.